Hey everyone, I was sent this exercise mat here. This has been really nice to be able to get, especially because I do a lot of indoor spinning. So this mat is really nice, has a really good thickness to it, but also a good padding. This texture on it is really nice for the grip, and also on the backside it has it as well. Different pattern, but one of the great things here is I used to use yoga mats when I had it underneath my spin bike. And it's really nice to be able to have this mat here to be able to provide a bigger surface area for protection, as well as just the surface of it. This thing is really easy to be able to clean. You can just wipe it down with a towel and a mild detergent after each use, and it really lasts a long time as well. You can also use it for other activities too. It doesn't just have to be for when you're doing some indoor spinning. You can use it for different exercises as well. I'd use it for my core workouts when I'm doing it. It helps protect your floors, whether you use tile or whether you have carpet. It's really nice to be able to protect that. If you've ever done a spin class, you're sweating a lot, or any type of exercise. So you want to make sure that you're putting it down so that you protect the surfaces that are underneath it, and gives the longevity as well for those other materials. But really good quality here. The thickness here on the seam, and also the different padding side of it. Really high quality. I know you're gonna love it as well.